name Felicity. If you're new, what's up, what it is, what it do. And if you're a return subscriber, hey girl, hey. And if you new, what's up, what it is, what it do. It's T, what's good, sweetie. Today is January the 28th, and it's Friday. So right now it is 11:32. I gotta go pick my mama up to get her hair done today. And I was just like, let me just vlog so I can do that. It's the weekend. Thank you, God, for today. Thank you for just keeping us for this week. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so grateful, God. Thank you so much. And yeah, I've been killing y'all with these little videos. It's definitely been the videos for me. I've been giving y'all the videos, baby. I definitely been giving them to y'all, and I'm so proud of myself because I've been giving them to y'all. I have made it to Best Buy. I just came up in here just to look at me a camera or whatever, so we're about to go do that. I did not know they had like appliances. This is a little ice maker. It ain't got the ice, the crushed ice. Let's see. I did not know Best Buy had all this, y'all. Best Buy. I think I'm about to really go on ahead and invest in me a camera, y'all, because I'm ready. I think I'm really ready now. I think I'm ready to go on ahead and invest in me a camera so I can stop doing on my phone, because literally, y'all, when I be wanting to post videos, I have to delete everything from my phone, and I hate that I be having to delete everything just for me to even post the video. So that's why I'm ready for me a video with, a camera, so I can use my camera and, you know, do it like that. But I went to go look at me one, and the price on the one that I really want is like $700. But the other one that I just take right now just for a vlog camera is like $400. So I think I'm really ready to go ahead and take that risk and go ahead and get it, y'all. I really think I'm ready to go ahead and get it, because I need it. I really do. I need it. My husband needs to come out here so he can buy me this. I don't mind spending my money, because I can spend my own money. But I'm ready to spend my husband's money. Can he come on so I can at least get the card so he can be like, go get what you need, go get what you want. Where he at? Sir, come on here, sir. Come on here, sir. Your wife is out here and she needs you. Your wife is out here and she needs you. Girl needs you right now. She needs you to come on here, at least, be like, baby, I got you. What's up with you? What you doing? You want to go get it right now? Are you ready to go get it right now? I need somebody to be like on that same level, like, baby, I'm ready. You know what you want? Because we can go on in and go get it right now. You need everything to go with it. Because I go on ahead, I got to go get my mom by 2:15, so I'm going to leave up here. about 12, 45ish. Y'all ain't gonna know. I be coming on here looking so dusty. Hey y'all, today is Monday, January the 31st, and I am cleaning out my closet that I supposed to be need. So I'm cleaning out this closet, y'all. Y'all can watch me do it. So I organized it. I got a little trash right here. If it focus. Got trash right here that I finna sweep up. But that right there is like my hair bag. I got my weave in there, my flat irons, dryer, all the stuff in there. That's Christmas stuff. As y'all seen, I swept my floor. I put some tissue right here, some light bulbs that just, the iron, some weights, my little mannequin head. These are games. That's just a little photo book of some stuff back at, like, a lot of pictures. These are my books, my Bible, a blanket, all my towels, and then cleaning supplies, and extra little stuff. I gotta restock all of this stuff up. So that's how I look right now. I wanted to clean it out so I could see what I had. But yeah, cleaning supplies, hair stuff, toothbrush, toothpaste, girl stuff, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I put it in this too so I can, because I don't got no clear container, so I just put it in something to make it look big, so it won't have a lot of bags. So I just put it in this little box right here, and some flushable wipes, some Nair, and this how it look, y'all. It's clean. It looks so much better. Jace got some little bath bombs that he got for Christmas, so I'm gonna put all of them back up in here. And y'all found some little I found something to show y'all. I found some stuff when I told y'all when I was gonna move. I had bought a lot of stuff. When I tell y'all about a lot of stuff, I bought a lot of stuff. And I was like, well, I wanted to do me like a little YouTube studio too. So I had wanted to do me like a workroom. And this is the stuff that I had bought y'all. Look. Some little stuff I had got from Hobby Lobby, and it was 99 cents. I got this, and I had got this little thing too. It's got Boss Babe, a little peace sign, and I think it says, oh yeah, good vibes. But coffee first. Some little lips. It was like $1 at Hobby Lobby, and this is like the little aesthetic that I was going with for my room. And I found it in the closet, and I was just like, dang, I remember when I bought this. Be like, you always wear this same little sweatshirt. I don't know if y'all know, baby. Run your own rice at God's pace with me, baby. So I gotta rock my own stuff. Period. Rock my own. But yeah, I'm getting ready to go get gas. I gotta pick up some little household items, and I want to take y'all along. We about to go. Let's see what we on. We on 49 miles, y'all. Gotta put some gas in here. Get some gas. I think I'm gonna go to Walmart probably and get gas, and then I could go to Walmart, but yeah, I just don't be feeling like going to Walmart. I honestly hate Walmart. I hate Walmart. I hate Walmart. I hate Walmart. As y'all can see, let the pump for a minute. Make sure I got my card too for this, baby. I've been up forgot. It's a pretty day outside, y'all. But Jason been wanting to go to the park for a little minute now. So I think I'm gonna go on ahead and take him to the park today because it feels really good outside today. It feels really good outside today. It be so many people at Walmart trying to get gas. I be so happy my mom and them got this little handicap sticker right here. Cause your girl be using it. Period. We're going in and out. In and out. In and out. I hate Walmart, y'all. I absolutely hate Walmart. I really don't even need no buggy. I really be wanting to get in and out of this thing. Because I hate being at Walmart. I hate being at Walmart, y'all. So I'm about to go. Gotta watch your surroundings. Always. Rather not be seen at all. So when people be recognizing me in public, I just be, even though it can be people that, I went to school with, or people that I just know, I just be like, hey girl, and keep it pushing. I don't want to be seen at all. And it might seem a little weird that I say that, but y'all don't want to be seen for real. I don't be want to be seen for real. So if you see me on the scene and I be like ducked off type thing, just know it's not, I promise it ain't no problem with y'all. I just would rather not. I don't want nobody to see me. And I don't even know why. That's crazy. I got recently just got like, if you know me, if you used to know me in high school, you don't know me today. If you know me through high school and you know, it used to be that back then, you don't know Felicity today. Okay? Just know, you know me, you know my face, you know. But all the extra, y'all hoes don't know me. Period. You know? Yeah. Yeah. As your Miami be saying, yeah. We're on our way to the park. I told no picnic in a long time. And y'all know, we love us a good picnic, baby. We love us a picnic, so. Y'all probably can't tell, but the ambulance is right there. Bringing somebody up. I'm rolling them out. Right there. Can y'all see? I guess he's hurt himself at the skate park. I guess. But y'all already know when we at the park. Yes, sir. So, let me show y'all Boo how cute she look today. Look how cute she look today.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
I give you a 10. Look at her hair. Yeah. And y'all know I don't do no hair. But I put something together today. He been anxious to get here. So of course he ready. Pretty, I guess everybody been waiting on this day because there's so many people out here today. Everybody out here today. I guess everybody been waiting for a pretty day. Because baby, especially when you got kids. When you got kids, you be wanting to bring the kids to the park. Let the kids get some of their energy out. Cause baby, I've been ready. Y'all, so I'm gonna close out these vloggy vlogs and I'm gonna get y'all vlog out. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for even watching my videos. I love y'all so much. And I'll see y'all in my next clip.
Come on, Liberty!
We'll see y'all in my next video.